Alright, so guys, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 will be revealed on August 5 at the Galaxy Unpacked event alongside the Galaxy Note 20 lineup. But now we have the first ever live picture of the Galaxy Z Fold 2. It confirms a few things we were expecting. The first one is of course the branding. The second is the frame, it's more rectangular than the original Fold, and the third one is the punch hole selfie camera. So if you don't know already, these are the exact specifications. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 is expected to come with. That includes the displays 120Hz 7.59 Super AMOLED. There is only Snapdragon 865 Plus variant of the Z Fold 2, no Exynos, and there is no S Pen either. Then again, Samsung will launch this alongside the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra on August 5. In any case, we will hear quite a lot about the Note 20 in the coming days. So be sure to subscribe to keep up with all the updates. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next ones. Peace out.